Hello everyone, welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we transform your home dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today we are diving into a style that perfectly marries rugged, handcrafted detail with the ease of single-story living. The Craftsman Style Ranch. But what exactly does that mean? At its core, a Craftsman Ranch is a fusion of two iconic American movements. It takes the low-slung, horizontal footprint of the traditional ranch house and infuses it with the soulful, hand-built aesthetics of the arts and crafts movement from the early 20th century. This means you'll see plenty of natural materials, like wood and stone, tapered columns, and deep overhanging eaves. It's a home that feels grounded to the earth, focusing on honesty in construction and a deep connection to the surrounding landscape. There are so many reasons why homeowners are flocking back to this style in 2026. First and foremost is the incredible accessibility provided by the single-story ranch layout, making it a forever home that suits everyone from young families to retirees. Beyond practicality, the Craftsman influence adds a level of character and soul that standard modern homes often lack. Because these homes emphasize natural light through large windows and value the use of sturdy, high-quality materials, they often feel much larger and more high-end than their square footage might suggest. They offer a warm, inviting atmosphere that balances luxury with a cozy, lived-in feel, ensuring your home is a sanctuary rather than just a building. To make your Craftsman Ranch truly shine, you need to lean into texture and contrast. Start by highlighting the architectural bones of the house. Use a mix of materials on the facade. Combine horizontal lap siding with cedar shakes or stacked stone accents to create visual depth. When it comes to color, stick to an earthy palette of sage greens, deep blues, or warm grays. But use a crisp white or cream for the trim to make the handcrafted details pop. Don't forget the porch. Decorate with heavy wooden rocking chairs, hanging ferns, and mission-style lantern lighting to create a welcoming entryway. The goal is to make the house look like it grew out of the ground, so use native landscaping and stone walkways to complete the look. While the traditional look is timeless, the modern Craftsman is currently the most popular variation. This style strips away some of the heavier ornamentation in favor of cleaner lines and higher contrast, often featuring black window frames against white or charcoal siding. Another winning style is the rustic lodge approach, which utilizes heavy timber framing and massive stone pillars to give the home a sturdy mountain retreat vibe. For those in suburban areas, the cottage Craftsman is a great choice, focusing on charming details like window boxes, decorative gables, and bright, friendly front door colors like red or mustard yellow. No matter which direction you take, the key is maintaining the balance between the horizontal ranch shape and the vertical strength of the Craftsman columns. Now, let's look at some stunning inspiration. Here are the top 10 best Craftsman style ranch home ideas that you can use for your next project. One, the modern charcoal farm Craftsman. Stunning home features a bold dark siding that provides a sophisticated backdrop for the warm wood accents. The wide garage and clean gable lines perfectly demonstrate how a ranch layout can look incredibly expansive and high-end when paired with modern textures. 2. The classic blue gable retreat. A beautiful example of using color to create personality. This home uses a deep blue shake siding paired with natural wood trusses in the gables. The stone-wrapped pillars provide a sturdy foundation that anchors the house to its lush green surroundings. 3. The sage green storybook bungalow. This charming, smaller-scale ranch maximizes every inch of curb appeal with a steep gable porch and a beautiful brick walkway. The integration of garden beds directly into the front yard design emphasizes the Craftsman philosophy of living in harmony with nature. 4. The Desert Cream Stone Manor, using a lighter. Sandy palette. This home features a prominent stone chimney that acts as a focal point. The low-profile metal roof and wide windows are quintessential ranch features, while the wooden door adds that necessary touch of craftsman warmth. 5. The Slate and Stone Contemporary Ranch. This design leans into a more contemporary aesthetic with vertical siding and dramatic stone pillars. The multi-level roofline adds architectural interest, ensuring this single-story home looks dynamic and grand from the street. 6. The Grand Suburban Sage Estate. With its wide sweeping driveway and multiple gables, this home is the definition of curb appeal. The use of stone around the arched entryway creates a sense of ceremony and permanent strength that is a hallmark of the Craftsman style. 7. The Coastal Blue Porch Front. This home features a massive wraparound front porch supported by heavy wooden beams and stone bases. The light blue siding mixed with cedar shingle accents in the peaks gives it a breezy, coastal feel while maintaining its rugged architectural roots. 8. The Enchanted Garden Ranch. As the sun sets, its home glows with warmth, highlighting the deep porch and the layered landscaping. The mix of evergreen trees and flowering shrubs creates a private oasis that complements the earthy tones of the Craftsman exterior perfectly. 9. The Midnight Noir Craftsman. Taking a risk with an all-black exterior, this home is a showstopper. The natural wood accents in the window frames and porch ceiling provide a pop of organic color that prevents the dark siding from feeling too heavy, resulting in a sleek, updated look. 10. The Pristine White Modern Ranch. This home uses a crisp white palette to highlight the beautiful symmetry of the windows and the black trim. The minimalist fencing and manicured lawn show that the Craftsman style can look incredibly clean and organized in a modern neighborhood setting. The Craftsman Style Ranch is more than just a house. It's a celebration of quality, comfort, and timeless design. Whether you prefer the dark, moody tones of a modern build or the classic earth tone charm of a traditional bungalow, this architectural style offers a level of versatility that is hard to beat. By focusing on natural materials and a layout that prioritizes ease of movement, you are creating a space that will look just as beautiful decades from now as it does today. If you found these design ideas inspiring, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more home tours and exterior styling tips. Which of our top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Love to hear how you're planning to bring the Craftsman spirit into your own home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.